brand new system.
Hi guys, today I'm going to cook a labong with saluyot. As you can see, I have the ingredients here. So let's start with the main ingredient. This is labong. This labong is from the can. Since I live here in US, I have to open a can. Unfortunately, I don't have the fresh ones. But what I do is I open a can, I boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes and drain the water and just throw it away. And the second ingredient is the saluyot or the jute. Since I don't have a saluyot yet, they're still growing in the garden. And I know I have a frozen one from the freezer, so I'll use that mine as well. And I have the eggplants. Actually, this eggplants is from the garden already. Actually, it's in the pot, the one that I showed you before. They're kind of giving me some eggplant right now, which is good. We call this balbalusa, which is one of my favorite eggplant actually. For dinengdeng is good. And next is ginger. We put ginger, and I like to put garlic on my dinengdeng because I don't know, for some reason it gives a little very good aroma in your dinengdeng. And of course the main ingredient is the this salted fish sauce. So what I do is actually I diluted this with water already. That is like probably like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce over there. The head part of the bangus, which is the milkfish, and some of the galunggong that I found in my freezer. And so let's start now. A little bit of water. Put your garlic and your smashed ginger. Let it boil, and then put your salted fish sauce and let it boil. So when we reach the boiling point, we can put the fish head, the bangus, that way. And now we can start putting the eggplant. Now we can dump the labong. The saluyot, since it's frozen. And the labong actually is cooked already. So in the bottom, we're just cooking the eggplant. And then cover it and wait till the eggplant and the other vegetables to cook. And the food is ready. Looks delicious. It's time to eat.